I'm joined on Mobile World Live by Pardeep Kohli, who is the President and CEO of Mavenir. Pardeep, good to see you.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Now, Mavenir has a vision of one network, any cloud, all software. What exactly does that mean, Pardeep?
Well, we all use these handsets, and we have seen that you can actually use the same handset, whether it's 2G network, 3G network, 4G network, and 5G network. And all software which runs on this somehow works on all these different networks. What Mavenir is doing is taking all that software, whether it's for the 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and make it run on any cloud infrastructure. So that way you can run it in your private cloud, or if you have Google Cloud, or Amazon, or Azure, or any of the other different cloud varieties. So we pretty much think of us as the way Apple can make all the software run on the phone, independent of the technology we use. Same thing what we do is Mavenir makes all the network software run on any of the cloud environment.
And you've been something of a trailblazer for open and interoperable networks. Where is the market today?
Well, it depends on the application. It has progressed quite a bit. We started in 2005, and even to do a voice call, you had to build proprietary hardware. We were the first company which actually showed that you can do, messaging, voice calling, just as a software running on a general purpose hardware. And of course, over time, it has evolved where you can do packet core. And now, over the last 5-6 years, we have been working on the Open RAN technologies where we have proven that even the radio access layer can be done as a software running on a general purpose computing, which could be in a private networking or in any public network. So it is making good progress in the core. I would say 90% of the carriers will believe that it can be done in a virtualized environment. And Open RAN, we just recently did a survey, and in the article today you will read that over 75% of the operators definitely believe that they will go in that direction in very near future. And I personally believe that 6G will definitely be all about Open RAN. It's only a matter of between now and then how many people adopt it.
Of course, behind all of this, there's lots of talk about how AI and analytics is going to help shape the market. How is AI and analytics going to push 5G software in the future?
5G is not, if you look at previous technologies, 2G, 3G, 4G, they're all about communication among humans. Right? We use the phones to talk to each other, and it was mainly the humans talking to each other. 5G has many more use cases where you can take the 5G technology, apply it to healthcare industry or robotics or manufacturing, and as a type of devices also change quite a bit. So it's quite impossible for having a network which can deal with these diverse use cases and humans running it. So it has to come to a point where actually you're more automated. You're making the decisions based on the type of network, type of devices using it, and that's where the AI/ML comes in, where the software kind of manages itself rather than humans managing the software.
And how are we going to see networks evolve then, Pardeep? Tell us a little bit about the role that Mavenir is going to play in this in the coming years.
So we are, as we discussed earlier, we're all about having open interfaces and making software run on a general purpose, open silicon computing. So the bar of innovation has to come down. So if you look at, if you have to launch this particular application, if I have to build a proprietary silicon and then I have to build proprietary hardware and then do a software on it to run an application, the cost of doing a particular application goes quite high. Versus if you can make more and more network run as a software only on a general purpose computing, which is available on a very large scale in the public cloud environment, then the cost of doing innovation in the network comes down significantly. So this is one of the things actually, because of the COVID or even before, the transition had already started of moving all the applications onto cloud. And as you know, cloud is global. It's across all industries. So the telecom operators should take advantage of benefits which this transformation provides and lower the cost of innovating in the network. And that's how we see, that's what Mavenir comes in. We are making the network run as a software so that it makes it easier to bring more applications on top of the networks.
Pardeep, thank you very much for coming into the studio, sharing your insights. We wish you a great MWC 22. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy. Thanks.